Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Counter-Strike 2 is not responding. If this video will be helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now to fix this problem, first thing you want to do is open up your NVIDIA application. If you're using NVIDIA, if you're using AMD, open up AMD and just go to drivers and see if there's any update available. So as you can see, for me, it's available. I need to download it and it should fix the problem. Now, if after that, if you don't have any updates, then you want to go to Steam, Counter-Strike, right click on it, go to properties, and on launch options, you want to write down Vulkan. This should fix the problem definitely, so just go ahead and try that out. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.